Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 2 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to set up our project, and then here now we have our exterior wall, and we're gonna continue working on this. One thing that I want to change is I'm going to select this exterior wall. I'm gonna type in CS, and then here in CS, basically we're using create similar under modify, and then CS is basically once you have something that is already put in the project, you'll be able to add it again, and you don't need to keep on looking for it afterwards. Like here, I'll be able to add exterior wall, knowing that I selected exterior wall and then type in CS. Here, I'm going to add this. So here, from number 2 grid line up to B2, and then here around 29:15, I'm going to close this off. Press escape and then escape again. I'm going to type in SL, that's split element, and then I'm going to type in TR, that's trim and extend, under modify, that is this icon. So TR, trim and extend, and then I use the SL, that is split element. So now we have this indentation right here. I want to add in probably the barbecue area right here. So now I'm going to select exterior wall, or we're going to add in our interior walls right now. So let's go to architecture, click on wall, edit type, duplicate, and this will be interior wall number 1, and then press OK. Let's leave the thickness to 200 and gypsum wallboard. Press OK and then OK again. Here we're going to add this one right here up to D, but what we'll do is we're going to push it back. So this is D, and then select that. It will create the temporary dimension. I want to minus 1370 from here. So this is 7210. So calculator, 7210 minus 1370, that's 6840. So here I'm just going to select that 6840, and then now we have, so now let's put this back, 7210 minus 1370, so it's actually 5840. So 5840, press enter, and then now we're going to select that again, CS, and then we're going to add in this one right here. Let's leave this one without anything right now, because we could just extend this one later on, because this is where the main entrance will be. Here I'm going to select interior wall again, CS, and then I'm going to create or add in 1840, and then close it off like that. And then here what we're gonna do is we're going to add a wall right here, and this will be 1640, and then close it off right about here. And then we could just extend this one like that. The only thing that I notice is this one should be an exterior wall. So here I'm simply going to just change this to exterior wall. So now this will be exterior wall. As you can see, it's very easy to change. CS again here, and then this will be another exterior wall. Zooming out, I'm going to add in a wall right here. So this will be an interior wall, CS, and then here I'm going to select this wall, and then this will be around 2970, and then it will have this indentation right here, and then we could just add in and connect everything. And then this one will be, we can actually just extend this one like so. And then let's add in a dividing wall. So I'm just gonna add this one right here. I want this one to be around 18, so 1800. So we give it some space. Actually, let's make this one 1700 instead. We don't need too much space for our pantry. And then we have our laundry right here. We have our dining right here, and then we also have our kitchen right about here. For our kitchen, CS, we're going to just add this dividing wall right here. We could just leave it like this for now, and then once we create everything, we could just extend or decrease the size of this. So we can increase and decrease that once we figure out the spacing. And then here, this is something like a bedroom as well. Here I'm going to add in an interior wall like so, and then here I'm just gonna double check. I want this one to be at least 1600. So I'm just extending this a little bit. And then here, I'm just double checking around 1370, so that's fine. And then from the size here, 1655, that's fine as well. So I'm happy with how this one is working out. So here I'm just gonna add in an indentation right here. The reason for that is so that we could add in like a cabinetry here. So I'm just going to align. So AL. So that's under modify, and this is align tool. So here we could just add it there, and then let's go to insert, load family. We're gonna add in the doors. So here I'm gonna select the door, and then go to residential, and then we have a couple of interior wood panel doors right here. I'm gonna choose this one. This will be available for you guys. I believe the first link on part 1 description, this will be the full set of families that are default for Revit. So here I'm just going to click open. Usually I select everything, so what you need to do is click on the top and then hold on shift and click on the bottom, and then it will highlight everything, and then just press OK, and it will ask you if you want to continue and adding all this stuff. You just need to say yes. So once you add that, let's go back to architecture, click on door, or you can type in DR, and then here you will have all those door panels that are with different dimensions, different sizes. So what I will focus on is around 700 to 900, and then it should be around 2000 millimeters height. So here I'm going to select 750 by 2000, and then after that let's add those right here. This one for the washroom or a bathroom, I'm going to put in 700 right there, and then we have another washroom right here, and then let's add the 700 by 2000 as well, right about here. So you need to click on your tab in order, space bar, in order to change orientation, and then here as well. And then for the main, so let's change this to around 800, and then let's add this one on the side. And then for the main, let's insert a different panel, or sorry, a different door. So go back to insert, load family, it's still under residential, and then we have different kinds of door right here. I'm gonna add this one, click on open, and then here I'm just going to select 1700 by 2000. Press OK, and then let's just add it right about here. So we have this opening right here. What I want actually to do, I don't want the main door to be looking like this. So instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this exterior wall, CS, and we're just going to add something like this, and then select this CS again, and then let's add it there, and then just move this one to space it out. I'm just using my arrow key, and then here you could just delete this and then trim this, TR, trim and extend, and then we could just move this one right about there. That's good enough. Let's just give some space here, and then we could have in our opening like that. We will have stairs right here, and then like I said, this will be the pantry and then the laundry. So right now what we could do is we could add in the sliding door or the parametric door that we have. So it will be the second link. I'm going to download the sliding door. It will be the second link on part 2. So you just need to download those. Once you download, you just need to drag and drop. What I usually do is I drag and drop it to the widest wall that you have, because we still need to edit the size on that. So it will be upgraded, and then just select it here for now. And I believe that's one of the places that we're going to add that anyway. So let's add this one right here. So now we need to edit this. I want it to be open, so it will open like that. And then here, inset should be 0, so it will fix itself. And then now you just need to change this height to 2000 as well. Edit this, height sliding door around 2000. And then I believe we have a perfect match for this space right here. So I'm happy with that. If in order for you to show the handles, you just need to change it to fine. So now the handles right there. We just need to flip this. So we need to flip this by using this arrow. So either way, if you want it to be on this side or on that side, and then it will be sliding on this way. So now I want that same thing to be right here as well, but this one is too big. If we check this one, I'm just gonna roughly check this. This is around 4300. So now I'm going to select this, edit type. I'm gonna duplicate this and just leave it sliding door number 2. And then once we do that, we'll be able to change the width now to around 4000. And then now make sure 0, 0, and then 0. Press OK. And then now here is the number 2. I'm going to just select that CS and then just add it right about here. And then now this one looks fit on the space, so delete that. Here I'm just going to select that, put it back to sliding door, and we just need to change something here again. This one should be 0, 0, and then 0. So the gap, we don't need those. So now just press OK, and then we're good with that. We can also add a smaller one right here as well. It's good to have access on different areas, and then for this one we have it just for this area only, and obviously we will need to open this up. So here I'm going to select this CS and then add it here for now. Select this again, edit type, duplicate. This will be sliding door number 3, and then press OK first. So now this is different from others as well, but now we could just edit this and change this to around 2500. So 1500 shorter than the sliding door number 3. And then I just want it to be added, I believe, in this area. And then we could have our kitchen right about here. we could actually open this up as well if we want to. So here we could determine which area we want. So I believe I'm leaning on this spot so that we could have maybe an L shape or just a linear kitchen with a island, and then we could just open this one with a big window so that we have some natural light coming in. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.